A lone wolf is someone who doesn't stay away from others because they don't like people or because they're not good with social situations. Instead, they choose to be alone because it helps them understand themselves better, sparks their creativity, and gives them a sense of calm. This person feels strong when they're by themselves, believes in the power of thinking quietly, and usually knows exactly what they want to do on their own. They follow their own sense of what's right and have their own goals that they're working toward.